Hey there, hope you're doing well. Take a look at the yellow in this headlight. I recently did a video where I polished it using Guire's Plastics. I'll leave a link to that video above. But then I noticed that it was a little yellow when the lights were still on. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of this yellow appearance and make it look clear, crystal clear, just like this, using the Cerakote Headlight Restoration Kit. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I drop more content. With that being said, let's go. One thing you're absolutely going to want to do before you start cleaning this headlight with this kit, which is going to be wet sanding, you want to put some plastic down underneath your headlight. So the way I'm doing this, I'm taking some 3M tape. I'm just going to get it down here at the very base of this headlight. And most headlights are going to have a little gap down here. This one definitely has one. I'm going to try to get this tape and this bag right in that gap and bring it all the way across. And I'm probably going to get another bag, put it on this side over here. So you want to do that because you don't want to really have to clean this bumper off. It'll just put a filthy white mess all over it. So the kit comes with some gloves, but I've got my own, and I'll leave links to everything in the description. But I like these. These are Show Best, and they're biodegradable. I use them on just about every detail job I do, whether it's just washing the car, detailing, whatever. Keep the chemicals off my skin. First step here is going to be to clean the headlight. So I've just got some hoseless wash here and a microfiber towel. Just going to spray that on there, wipe it off. It's actually fairly clean. After you've cleaned the headlight, use oxidation remover. Basically, you're going to go in a circular motion with these little wipes. A little bit of yellow is coming onto this pad, so I'm going to rotate the pad over, keep going. And it says to use all of these. It comes with 6, so 3 for each side. I'm going to move to the second one here and continue. And so see if this one picks up any yellow. There's a little bit on there. I'm going to try to get to all the corners and all the edges. Make sure that get all the oxidation off that you can. So I've used 2 of them, and both of them did produce yellow, so I'm going to use the third one here. Yeah, it's definitely picking up a little yellow there, so make sure you use all of them. Alright, so that's that. So now that we've used all 3 of the oxidation removal wipes on this headlight, it's time to move to the wet sanding stage. You need a bottle of water. This is just regular old H2O in a spray bottle. And this is the little grip that comes with the kit. And this is the 2000 grit sanding disc that you want to start with. It's purple backing and it says 2000 on there. Just center it on this little grip. You should see an even edge across there. You want to spray onto the sanding disc and also spray onto the headlight. And it's just going to be straight line motions across the surface. And you will notice you'll start to break things up. See like a milky, cloudy, hazy looking little slurry start to happen here. You should be doing this for 2 to 3 minutes. And you want to keep the surface wet at all times. Make sure you cover the entire headlight area. I recommend to remove the sanding disc for tight areas that you may not be able to reach while it's on this grip. So I'm going to take this off and get into the little corners here. So after going with the 2000 grit, you want to dry this headlight off and make sure it's a uniform cloudiness. Look for any areas that aren't cloudy. I think I see a little bit up here, maybe some down here. So I'm going to hit the top edge and the bottom and just go over that one more pass. So I'm going to wipe this off again, check and make sure it's uniformly cloudy. So I think that looks pretty uniformly cloudy. So you notice the 3000 grit has a green backing. So you just want to put this down and center it best you can. Should see a uniform edge across it. Pretty close. Now go doing the same thing, same exact process, just change the disc out. So here we go, 2 to 3 minutes. And this should refine the surface. Just doing straight line motions. I'm gonna do about 1 more minute here. So I think that qualifies as uniformly cloudy. So now that I've completed the wet sanding steps, I'm going to take a clean microfiber towel, spray some water into it, spray a little bit onto the surface, and just go through and clean this headlight off. You just want to remove any remaining residue that may be on here. So now it's been an hour and this thing is bone dry. Step 3, I'm using the gloves that are included in the kit. This is the ceramic clear coating. You want to do straight lines across the surface. So I'm going to start from the back there, and they say slow and steady, so I'm just going to go across and you overlap by 50%. And you only want to do just one layer. You're not going to do multiple layers. So here we go. Let's take this thing out, keep it together like that. Slow, even. Cross down. 50% overlap. Slow and even. Make sure you get all the way to the edges and the corners. %50 overlap. Down. Just make sure you get all the edges here, all the way up to the top. looks really good. Just make sure you didn't miss any spots. All the way to the top here. Whew. This stuff is very strong too. So make sure you're in a well ventilated area when you do this. So final thoughts, at $20 or so, it's hard to beat this kit. The results look really good. Cerakote also has a variety of other kits. I've used the trim coat as well. I'll leave a link above to that video. Now I'm gonna show you the before and after. So it definitely removed the yellow out of the headlights. So I'll end it here. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.